Colleen here again with Homestead Tree Decor, and today I'm going to show you my farmers market booth because you can see all this stuff online, but then once we get it all into a great big booth, it's a different story entirely. So what I try to do is have these foldable plant stand racks, so the shelves pop up and the sides fold in, and then I have wooden dowels in between for all my hanging. And here you can see, just do a close-up of it, excuse the reflection, one of my mandalas. I've got dishcloths, tea towels, dish drying mats, and pillows, and pot holders. And as we all know, I started with the rugs. Here's one up here, nice green color. And then I add on other products. So here's some of my camping collection, and this one over here, call this one my orange burst. There's a rug in behind, and then the camping collection kind of played off the orange, so that was an easy add-on. And again, mandala files, which you can purchase finished art from me, and you can also purchase the digital files either on my website or on Etsy. And I've got some more digital patterns coming up, so that's going to be exciting. Just waiting for the finishing touches on them from my designer. And here's some more of my rugs. You can see I've got salmon, I've got my nursery rug collection, some more salmon. This one I call Orange Blossom. There's quite a few in stock right now. This is Island Breeze. And then I've got my plant mix rug collection with some dish towels and another mandala pattern. You can see right there. And here's my crochet dishcloths. You can see that every product I make, I have a play on another color. So this one is on my Route 66 pillows, and basically that's the end of those pillows, because that's the end of the fabric. I have no more fabric, it's all gone. And then I love to have these farmhouse bins just loaded up with dishcloths. Of course, today I've got them set out around the booth, so the bin looks a little bit emptier. But it's really easy to pack your car up when everything's in bins already. And then here are some of my retro trailer pillows, and we'll just kind of pan back out up to the top. Some more rugs. Here's my red and black rug, and then I've got my pretty in pink, which I suppose is more of a nursery rug. It's just gorgeous though. I've made many of them. And so here's my red and black dish towels that go with the rug that's just above. There we go. And moving over to this rack here, we've got another mandala file, and we've got the Glamping Man pillows and dish mats. And as much as I try to color coordinate, sometimes that's not always possible, so on the stands I just try to do the best I can. Here's this gorgeous rug here. This sold so well at Christmas time, and it's got a couple of different tea towels that go with it. So all my tea towels I sell separately, and they're $25 a piece. And the rugs vary in price depending on the size and how much fabric was used and how much the fabric was to begin with. But here we go. We've got quite a few tea towels actually that match this red one. It's so pretty. One more. There we go. Just lovely. And over in this corner, I've got my French twist rugs, and a couple mandalas that I bought on limited use. So those aren't actually my own patterns, but that's the last of them that I will ever make with somebody else's patterns now that I own my own. Some more trailer pillows, another bin of dishcloths. You can see that I try to have enough dishcloths to match every single rug that I'm doing. And here's my soup bowl cozy pattern. You can buy the entire kit from me. I've got different patterns on the back, and then I include chopsticks so you can eat some ramen noodles, and the cotton thread as well. And then the complete instructions for how to make your own soup bowl kit. And now I can come back over. We've got some more rugs on this side. We'll do the browns and taupes. And then of course I have to have more trailer stuff. This, as I mentioned, is the end of the Route 66 line. So whatever you see here, I don't even think I have any of these online anymore. You'll have to find me at a farmer's market. And if you don't know how to find me at a farmer's market, just head over to the website, www.homestitcherydecor.com. And there I list all the local stores and farmers markets that I have products in, and the dates and locations and times and everything. So you can always find me. And then on this rack here, we've got more of the retro red trailer, some dish drying mats. Got quite a selection of dish drying mats, and the retro red trailer still available. The black and white polka dot. I'll probably be able to have this in stock all the time. It's a very common fabric I'm able to find. And then with rickrack and buttons, these fold out quite nicely, very absorbent. And then underneath that, we've got another farmhouse bin, and this one is filled with soup bowl cozies. And as mentioned in my soup bowl cozy video, you can purchase the pattern or you can make your own. Just follow along with the YouTube video. And mine all feature Pellon wrap and zap batting. And I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I will put links in for all of these products. If you choose to purchase something through a link, I do get paid. And that's how us makers work. And if you like these videos and want to follow along with where I am and what I'm doing, you can hit subscribe right now and hit the bell button, and you'll get notified every time I show up somewhere, drop a new video, or create a new product. And I'm also on Instagram and Pinterest as well. So you can find me lots of places. Now this one is my absolute favorite. I'm going to show you here. This is called Circa 1800 fabric. And I've just got a play on play of the beiges and creams with lots of different colors of towels, rickrack, ribbon on the bottom, and buttons. So I've got a few rugs like this in stock. And then as we twist over here to the final rack, I've got pot holders. These are called unpaper towels. I'll do a video on that one day. Here's the dishcloths. There's an actual pattern and YouTube video for that. Some pillows. And again, soup bowl cozies. Again with the Pellon wrap and zap batting. And to finish off, one of my mandala files. So that's it, you guys. This is how I set up my farmer's market booth. So welcome to my little world. I hope you like it here. And if you do, hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.